Hey, I am Manohar, currently studying Btech third year at IIT Calicut, and I am here to tell you about some useful Chrome extensions that me and my friends have been using since we bought the laptop. This video is only made for your productivity and to save your time because I care about your time. So, without any lag, let's start the video. First one is SELECTEXT. There will be a small toggle button on the video that you are watching. If you pause the video and toggle that button, it makes you select the text from the video and it automatically copies the text into clipboard and you can paste it anywhere in the laptop. Cool, right? Second one is Slider. This is very useful extension, especially when you are watching long videos in the YouTube. For suppose, if you didn't want to watch the long video but you want a summary of the video, so beside the video, it will summarize the total video. Not only that, you can even ask questions from the video. For example, I am typing, what is mean by array? See the answer? It will also generate captions from the video. If you select any timestamp here, you will go to that part of video. Third one is TEMPMAIL. As soon as you enter some websites, they ask for email. I mean, even for checking the cutoffs of college and cropping the photo. On that occasions, this is a cool extension. When you click the symbol T on your side, it will generate a new mail. If you want to see any messages that are coming to mail, you can click on the dashboard. You will be redirected to inbox of that email. From there, you can check the messages that are coming to mail. Fourth one is text place. If you want to type some common things like addresses or some messages and descriptions, you should type it manually every time, right? I mean, it is some tedious work and I hate that. If you are lazy like me, you will use this extension. Install the extension and go to the website by clicking on that extension button. There, you can create the new snippet by typing the shortcut that you want to create. For example, in my case, I am entering addrs in this and writing the original address in the box. And if I type /addrs here, see how the address magically comes to that box? An answer for YouTube. It is god level extension for YouTube. You can loop the videos of certain part. You can boost the volume, you can toggle the info cards, you can see the video in cinema mode, you can pop up the video to other window, you can slow down the video or speed up the video up to 16x. It will be useful when you started studying night before the exam like me. You can apply filters on the video, you can screenshot it and you can do many more things with that. And that's all.
I was born to kill it, I was meant to win. I am down and willing, so I will find a way. It took a minute, now it didn't happen right away.